Got a nigga shedding tears, reminiscing on my past fears. Cause shit was hectic for me last year. It appears that I've been marked for death. My heart lets breath. The underlying cause of my arrest. My life is stress and no rest. Forever weary. My eyes stay teary for all the brothers that I buried in the cemetery. Shit is scary how black on black crime legendary. But at times are necessary. I'm getting worried. Teardrops and closed caskets. The 3 strikes law is drastic and certain death for us ghetto bastards. What can we do when we're arrested? But open fire. Life in the pen ain't for me, cause I'd rather die. But don't cry through your despair. I wonder if the Lord still cares for us niggas' own welfare. And who cares if we survive? The only time they notice a nigga is when he's clutching on a 4-5. My neighborhood ain't the same, cause all the little babies going crazy or they're suffering in the game. And I swear it's like a trap.
But I ain't giving up on the hood, it's all good when I go back.
Tennessee, lay back and cool every hour, cause it's all good. Leave all stress from the world outside. Every wrong done will be alright. Nothing but peace, love, street passion.
Check it. Will I survive all the fights in the darkness, trouble sparks? They tell me home is where the heart is, dear departed. I shed tattooed tears and couldn't sleep good for multiple years. Witness peers catch gunshots, nobody cares. Seen the politicians banners, they rather see us locked in chains. Please explain why they can't stand us. Is there a way for me to change? Or am I just a victim of things I did to maintain? I need a place to rest my head with the little bit of homeboys that remain. Cause all the rest dead. Is there a spot for us to grow? If you find it, I'll be right behind you. Show me and I'll go. How can I be peaceful? I'm coming from the bottom. Watch my daddy scream peace while another man shot him. I need a house that's full of love when I need to escape the deadly places slinging drugs. It thugs, man.
Every corner, every city, there's a place where life's a little easy. Little Hennessy, lay back and cool every hour, cause it's all good. Leave all the stress from the world outside. Every wrong done will be alright. Nothing but peace, love, and street passion.
Every ghetto needs a thug,
Man, mama, don't Hennessy, lay back and cool every hour, cause it's all good. Leave all the stress from the world outside. Every wrong done will be alright. Nothing but peace, love, and street passion. Every ghetto needs a thug, man.
There's gotta be a place better than this. So right before I sleep, dear God, what I'm asking, remember this face. Save me a place in Thugz Mansion.
That's what I'm talking about, G.